Imagine a future where drug development is dramatically accelerated, where the painstaking process of identifying and testing new medicines is revolutionized. That's the ambitious goal driving Converge Bio, a Boston and Tel Aviv-based startup that recently secured $25 million in Series A funding led by Bessemer Venture Partners. The company's innovative approach leverages generative AI, training models on DNA, RNA, and protein sequences to expand across the entire drug development lifecycle, from target identification to experimentation, and they've already established partnerships with 40 pharmaceutical and biotech companies, running approximately 40 programs on their platform across the US, Canada, Europe, Israel, and now expanding into Asia, with a team that's grown from 9 employees in November 2024 to 34. Remarkably, just a year and a half after founding, skepticism surrounding AI-driven drug discovery has vanished, fueled by case studies showing protein yield boosts of 4 to 4.5x and the generation of antibodies with single nanomolar binding affinity. Converge Bio strategically pairs generative models with predictive ones, filtering potential compounds to reduce risk, a process significantly faster than traditional methods. Despite some caution voiced by experts like Jan LeCun, who emphasizes the need for models trained on biological data itself, the company's multifaceted approach, utilizing LLMs as support tools rather than core technology, is clearly gaining traction. As Converge Bio strives to become the generative AI lab for the entire life science industry, partnering wet labs with computational hypothesis generation, we invite you to join the conversation, subscribe today, and share your thoughts on the future of medicine.